The future effects of artificial intelligence (AI) are expected to be widespread and transformative across various aspects of society. Here are some potential impacts. 1. Automation of jobs. AI and robotics may lead to the automation of certain tasks and jobs, potentially causing job displacement in certain industries. However, it could also create new jobs and opportunities in AI development, maintenance, and other related fields to economic impact. The integration of AI into various industries has the potential to boost economic growth by increasing efficiency, productivity, and innovation. Companies that successfully adopt AI technologies may gain a competitive edge. 3. Education and skill development. The rise of AI may lead to a shift in the skills required for the workforce. There may be an increased emphasis on skills related to AI development, data science, and problem solving, leading to changes in educational curricula and training programs.